So we're trying to match all the powers over here. If you look at this one, the first one, we're going to always try to break down all the numbers or the variable matching the power of the radical. So that's our whole purpose over here. So if you look at the first one, I have a constant. They're going to be considered separately. Remember, if you are multiplying the variable, the powers are added. Okay? So I'm breaking it down. Since I need to have a power of 2, and 8 cannot be broken into a power of 2, right? But 4 can be. So I can break 8 down as 4 times 2. And then for the x values, I have x to the power 7. I can break it down as x squared, x squared, x squared, which is going to give me power of 6, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 is going to be 6. And then at the end, I can just keep x. So that's the total of power 7. And the square root is going to stay over here. Now let's separate all of them. It's going to be easier to see it. So for 4, I can write it down. Okay, let's just keep it this way. And on the next line, we're going to break it. You don't need to do it. If you can keep track of all the powers and all the radicals, you really don't need to break it down. I'm just breaking it down for everybody. So here, I can write it as 2 square root. And then here, this square and square root, they're going to cancel each other. This square and square root, they're going to cancel each other. Square and square root is going to cancel each other. This is going to stay as it is because I cannot cancel it. Are we clear up to here? Any questions? Give me a thumbs up. We good? All right. Now here, x is left, x is left, x is left, and square root of x is left. Now over here also, this is going to cancel each other. So I have 2 square root of 2. What do we get here? What do I get over here? One more time. What do I get over here? X cubed, not 3x. We're not adding, we're multiplying. Square root of x. Whoever is without the radical, they're going to stay together. Whoever is with the radical, they're going to stay together. Kind of they're friend with each other. So we're going to write them separately. So 2 square root of 2, 2x cubed is going to be together. And under the radical, we have 2x. That's our answer. Any question on this one? Try number 2. Try number 2. I'm giving you 2 minutes. And keep your homework on the desk. I'm coming to check it. Okay. So what's the value for this one? I can break 27 as a 3 cube, right? So this can be broken as 3 cube, which is going to give me a 27. And then x cube, x cube. Put it under the radical cube root. So this is going to cancel each other. I'm breaking it down just for your help. And then this one and this one. So they cancel each other. This cancel each other. This cancel each other. So I have 3x times x, which is x squared. That's your answer. We good? Sure?
Wait, Miss.
Sure.
Can you just do 3 9 and 3? Yeah.
You can do 9 and 3, but how can you match with the cube root?
Oh.
It's a cube. Okay, look at this one over here. It's a power of 4. So you have to break it down as a power of 4. Now, 32, sometimes we get confused. How to break down 32 as a power of 4? I need to have same number for 4 of them. Like if I have a 2, I need 4 2s. If I have a 5, I need 4 5s. So that's sometimes complex. So when I have a big number, big constant, what I always do, I'm a very visual person. What I always do is that I take that number and I simplify breaking it down. So I start dividing it with the smallest number. So I'm going to start with the 2. And what's the value? If we divide 32 with the 2, we get 16. Again, if we divide, what is the smallest number I can divide with? Smallest number I can divide with. 2 again. You have to go with the smallest number, otherwise it cannot work. So it's going to be 8. Again. Again. And finally, it's a 1. Once you reach up to 1, it means I cannot divide it any further. Now I have to count how many same numbers we have. Over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's, but I only need 4 of them. So I can break it down as 2 to the power 4. So all of them are going to be together, and this 2 will be separate. So that's going to give me a power 4. So I can do it as 2 to the power 4 times 2, and then already I have x to the power 4. I don't need to break it. I already have y to the power 4. I don't need to break it either. I need a power of 4 with everything. Make sense? We good? Sure? Alright. Because look at this number. It's 108. It's very difficult to find, okay, what is going to give me a cube? I need to make it a cube of something. So it's very difficult to break it down. So if you start with it like that, you will be able to see which number I have 3 times. So just take those numbers. So it's going to separate it automatically. So here, if I separate them, it's going to be 2 to the power 4 to the power 4th power. And then over here, this one, for the x, I have x to the power 4, y to the power 4. Now they all cancel each other. So I have 2xy, 4th power of 2. Do number 4 by yourself. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Number 4. Okay, let's break this one down. I just want to show the breakdown of this one. So 108. What is the smallest I can divide with? 2. If it is an even number, you can always divide with the 2. And you know that it's an even number if the last digit is even. So let's divide with the 2. It's going to be 54, right? Divide with the 2 again. It's going to be 1, 2. And then I can divide with a 3. So it's going to give me a 9. Let's divide with the 3 again. It's going to give me a 3. Let's divide with 3 again. It's going to give me a 1. So I can stop over here. Now over here I have 3 3's and I need a power of 3. So definitely I can make it a cube. And these 2 are separate because I cannot, there are 2 of them. I need a power of 3, so that's not going to work. So they're going to be together. And these are going to be together. So when you break it down, it's going to be 3 cube and 2 square. It really doesn't matter because I need a cube, so I can just keep it as a 4. And 8 to the power 4. So how can I break down 8 to the power 4? 3 and a 1. So a cube, and there is another a. How can I break down b to the power 6? B cube times b cube, since we're trying to make everything as a power of 3. Now we can break down everything. This one is going to be 3 cube, 4, a cube, then another a, b cube, another b cube. So they cancel each other. They cancel each other. This one cancel each other. This one cancel each other. At the end, I'm going to have 3 is free. Then there is A is free. And B times B, which is B squared, is free. And under the radical, I have 4A. That's my answer. Let's go to your homework packet. You're going to do number 1 through 6. That's your homework for tomorrow. The rest of the problem I have to teach the next lesson before you do it. So it's just 6 problems. Number 1 through 6. All right? We're going to cut the lesson over here so I can give you enough time for the exit ticket.